Okay, I'm going to show you how to center your document. So Alex is completely done with his project. For the most part, he has his icons pretty much the same size and staggered on top of each other nice and evenly. So I'm going to select everything. I'm going to click outside and drag around so everything's selected. And I'm going to do Command G. So Command G is to group it. So if I go to Object Group or Command G, now everything is grouped as one. So if I were to click on this lipstick, it would move everything. So I'm just going to move this off the artboard so you can see how it works. So I have everything selected still. At the top of you need to make sure your control bar is on. So if I get rid of my control bar, there's not a check next to it. So Window Control, make sure there's a black check mark next to it. You see this little paper icon with a flyout menu. Sometimes it defaults to align to selection, so it may look like that. So I'm going to hit the flyout and I'm going to go to align to artboard. I'm going to horizontally align it to the center, and then I'm going to vertically align it to the center. And now my artboard is completely centered and ready to turn in. So the first thing I do is go to File, Save, and he's already named it A Hunter Icon, and it's a .ai. So that's ready to get turned in. Then I go to File, Save As. It's on my desktop, A Hunter Icon, but I'm going to change it to a PDF. And there's my PDF, and I hit Save and save again. So now I'm going to turn the AI and the PDF in.